They say my hunger's a problem. They tell me to cut my appetite. They say I can keep myself from trying a bite of every page inside. They will show patience a virtue. They tell me
เจ็บแบบซ้ำ
but my desire is bottomless. I wanna slit your throat and eat till I get sick. The slaughter's on. I'd love to see you come undone and satisfied until I got you played along. So grab a plate, have a taste, check away on options. I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. To dress you up in pretty patterns. Oh, to dress your flesh up with the works. Perfectly portioned by a dagger, serving the finest leftover dessert. Why would I desecrate a carcass? Oh, why let the offal go to waste? It's love that guides my cleaver with such tenderness. A perfect strike, you fix the horror on your face. The slaughter's mine, no blood in this earth. Divine preserved in prime, ich mach so sehr wieder für dein Ende in the high. Once and I testing, shelling, lean the eye out. Devour all of you in time. Oh, your heart, hey, I'll take what come on. My love, my knife, to carve it out your life. So grab a plate, have a taste, check away on options. I'm still praying on the butcher's vein. To snap this in you, I want to get within you. I want to not forgive you. Rigor mortis, mold and mildew. But dear, you should be grateful that I won't waste a good meal. That all my love's precision caused the color simply life.